I broke our coffee pot, and so we're supposed to just put it is we weren't able to get the exact type, so we bought the $20 coffee maker because we need one. Coffee also depends on the maker, and of course I want to make it. But my husband believes that I believe that I can make delicious coffee. This is kind of a good thing. This is all packaged. This is really good. It's from Black & Decker brand. So we used to have the same thing, I think, and I like this one because it protects it really well. This thing with this metal thing around it. I hope I don't break it again. It looks like almost like the exact thing that we used to have before. I like the look of it because it matches my stainless. Kitchen appliances in the kitchen. So. That's it. It's a 12-cup coffee maker. So the control is here. Our old one has a control here, but this one is here. I hope it wouldn't be messed up by the coffee thing. Have this. And there is our coffee maker. When I edit this video about this unboxing, I'm gonna tell you the difference, because this is not really like, you know, the high-end or whatsoever, but I think coffee making depends on how you make your coffee and how you like your coffee and what kind of grounds you put in your coffee, because that really matters too. We are going to water first. So this is what I usually in the morning, but this is my basic, just 2 eggs and a croissant and coffee, and lots of water in the morning. But sometimes I would do fruit, so yeah. Let's try the coffee that we made with the new coffee maker. Thank you so much for joining me on my breakfast. And again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for other videos in the future. Please have a good day. Enjoy life. Bye.